Hello dear students. Now our next topic is like decimals and unlike decimals. We have already learned about like fractions and unlike fraction. The fractions are called like, which is have same denominators, and unlike fraction is different denominators. So let's start with like decimal. Suppose there are two decimals we have 2.46 and 7.49. Here you can see the decimal place of first decimal number is 2 is there, and here the decimal place is 2. If the two decimals having same decimal place is called like decimal. So this is the example of like decimal. Another example we'll take 13.467 and another example 10.990. Here you can see the decimal place of first decimal number. There are 1 2 3 decimal place, and here the decimal place 1 2 3, again 3. So this is called like decimal. And for unlike decimal, it's very simple to identify unlike decimal. 3.92 and 13.2. Here we will compare the decimal place. Here the decimal place is 2, and here only single decimal place is 1. So this is called unlike decimal. We can convert unlike to like decimal by putting 0 at the last of the decimal number. So here if you put 0, so now you will get here decimal place 2. So this is, now you can say these both are like decimals. Let's take another example, 14.6 and 19.421. Here you can see the decimal place is 1 and the decimal place is here 4 1 2 3. There are 3 decimal places, but here only 1. So if you want to convert into like decimal, so 4.6, now we will include 0 here, 0 0, because the value will not change here, and 19.421. This is unlike decimals, and now you are getting here by including 0 like decimals. Now our other topic is comparing and ordering decimals. To compare any two or more than two decimals or ordering, first of all we have to convert into like decimal. Suppose one question I am writing here, 4.21. we have to compare this decimal with 8.16. To compare it, first check the decimal place. Here 2 decimal place, here 2, these both are in like decimal. Now first to compare whole number, we will compare this whole number. 7 is less than 8, so directly we can write 7 is less than 8. Take another one, 21.6, and this we have to compare with 21.97. So this is a example of unlike decimal. Convert into like first. So 21 the whole number is same. To convert into like decimal, here 2 decimal places there, so put 0 here. To convert into like, now 2 decimal place, 2 decimal place, and we read as 21.60, 21.97. here 21 is same. Now compare the decimal part, 6097. here 6 and here is 9. So 6 is less than 9. So now we will write 21.60 is less than 21.97. With the help of this method you can compare all the decimal numbers, and we can ordering also. So I'm writing a question for ordering: 21, 7.21, 9.6, 2.7. Here you can see first for ordering, first of all convert into like decimal. So 7.21, now 9.6, so decimal place is 2 is there, highest decimal place is 2, so now we will convert into 2 decimal place by putting 0. 2.70. Now we can convert in we can arrange into ascending or descending order. So I am writing in ascending order here. So first of all find the smallest 7 point, 9 point and 2 point. So 2 is less than to all, so 2.70 is less than 2. Now here 9, whole number is 9, and here is 7, so 7.21 is less than, then at the last 9.60. we can order in ascending and descending order by converting into like decimals. Exercise 9b, question number first. State whether the following statements are true or false. We have to check this statement is true or false. So now 11.45 is greater than 11.42. So here compare first whole numbers are same, 11, 11. Now we will compare decimal place. Here 4, here first decimal place is 4. Now here 5 and here 2. Yes, 5 is greater than 2. So here 11.45 is greater than 11.42. So this statement is true. Now second one, 9.7 is less than 9.69. Here we will convert into like decimal first. 9.7, the decimal place is 2, so we will put 0 here, is greater than 9.69. so first check whole number, 9. Now decimal place 7 and here 6, so is 7 0 is not less than 2 6 9. So this statement is false. With the help of this method you can solve all the questions. Now check question number second. Rewrite the given decimals in increasing order. You have to write it in increasing order. Increasing means ascending order. So first of all convert into like decimal. 5.13, 5.31, now 5.30. Here now check 5, 5, 5, all whole numbers are 5. Now 13, 31 and 30. So 13 is the smallest, so 5.13 is less than to 31 and 30. Is 31 is greater than to 30, so we will write 5.30 is less than 5.31. Question number E, 6.303, 6.033, 5.330, 5.331. So here all are in like decimals, so we will write the smallest one. 6 is not as small as 5. 5. Now you have to check here 330, 331. So 331 is greater than to 330. So smallest is 5. 330 is less than 5.331. Now this less than to 6. So 6.303, 6.033. So 6.033 is less than. So we'll write here 6.033 is less than 6.303. Let's take a question number third. Arrange these numbers in order from largest to smallest. Largest to smallest means you have to arrange in descending order. So descending, first of all we will find the greatest. Here we will convert into like decimal. There are two places here, single one place, so put 0 here, then two places here, at the last this one. So we will find the first greatest number. So 15 15 15 here, 15 15 15, yes 16. So greatest number is 16.02 is the greatest. Now we will find second one, 15.69 here, 87 78 99. So here 15.99 is greater than 2. Now this will be over. Now check, less than 9 is 87 here. So 15.87 is greater than, it's greater than to 87. Now less than to 87 is 78. So we will write 15.78 is greater than 2. Now after this 78 we will write 6949. So you will take 69 first. So 15.69 is greater than 2. Now remaining is 15.49 and 15.10. Here 70 is also remaining. So check here. So after 78, 15.70 will come. Then after 15.69, and at the last 15.49 is greater than 15.10. So now you can arrange it properly. 0.20, 16.02, 15.99, 15.87, 15.78, then 15.70, 15.69, 15.49, 15.10. So this is the largest to smallest order.